Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add CSS in your Shopify online store in multiple ways. This tutorial will be very helpful if you are learning Shopify store design, Shopify theme customization, or if you are watching my videos relevant Shopify store design, customization, or other things in my YouTube channel. Also, this will be very helpful if you are missing the base.css file on your Shopify online store or on your Shopify theme, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. First of all, you have to log in your Shopify admin panel. Then you can add CSS in multiple way. Number one, add custom CSS file. How to add custom CSS file? To do this, click on the online store. Then click on this three dot icon, select edit code, then open asset folder, click on the add a new asset, create a blank file, add file name, custom my custom.css. Remember this file name, or you can copy this file name, then click on the done. Okay, now you can add your custom CSS style in here, but it will not work until you call this CSS file in the theme.liquid file. So how you can call it? Just open layout folder, open theme.liquid file, then scroll down, then copy this line of code, then add your file name in here, click on the save. Okay, this is the step 1 or number 1 process. Now we are going to learn more process or method how we can add custom CSS. Exit the code editor section. Now go to the customize section, open any section. For example, we wanted to work in this section, featured collection, so click on it, and when you click this section, then you can see that there is the section option, and scroll down and click on the custom CSS. You can add custom CSS code in here. This is the another method that is super easy and very effective. Let me show you in real life. Just go to scroll down, inspect, select this section, change background color DDD. Okay, just for now, just testing it, copy and paste the code in here, then click on the save. Now reload. Wow, it's working. So now we are going to learn another method. So go to the customize section, so go to the admin panel, then exit this section and click on this three dot icon, click on the edit code, and for now we are going to add custom CSS in featured product.liquid file. Number 1, we can add custom CSS with this code snippet. We can add our custom CSS in here, but you only add this code if the code is not available in your liquid file. And looks here, this code is available, so we don't have to add this code again. We can add simply our custom CSS code in here. Okay, then another method is add this
URL in the liquid file and add your file name. For example, my file name, my custom.css. Click on the save. So I hope you understand everything how we can add custom CSS in multiple way in our Shopify online store. And I believe this tutorial will be very helpful if you have just started Shopify store design, customize or development, or you just designing your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer.
So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.